What's good, traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're seeing me from. So this is actually 9:20 p.m. GMT Nigerian time right here, and this is actually Monday morning. So today I want to bring you a brand new video. When I mean brand new video, I mean a powerful brand new video. So what is this video about? This video is about flipping a small account. So how am I gonna do it? This account is not those kind of account maybe from $5 or this is 0.60 cents. 0.60 cents. So my target for this account per the day is to turn this account at least times 3 or times 4. That means I'm going to be taking only one setup on this account. So if I lose it, I lose the challenge. I lose this challenge. So what I'm going to be doing now is to start trading on the account. So right here we funded this account. You can see it right here. You can see this account right here. This is only 0.64 dollars. You can see it right away. So on this account I'm going full margin. What I mean full margin, I'm risking everything. So you guys will be saying, how am I gonna do it? Let me tell you, the only way I can do it is this. I have only one mindset, which is I know if I take one trade, I have lost the account. If I take one wrong trade, I have lost the account. So what matters now is for me to take a very nice setup. So I'm going to be recording everything, and all I want you to do now is to stay tuned from beginning to the end. Thank you. Good guys, welcome back to my trading view. So this is currently my trading view. So I want to be showing you guys, in such kind of challenge, is not every currency pair that you have to be trading. That is what I want to show you. I want to guide you guys from step to step on how you can grow small account, this kind of small account. Some of you have been suffering on this kind of things, so I want you to watch from this beginning to the end of this video. So first thing you have to do is to choose pair with low volatility. And we all know that the pairs that has low volatility but actually has a lot of liquidity inside them is actually those major pair that is crossed with USD. Now the first pair you have to choose is Euro USD, which the one you can see here. Choose Euro USD, which when you are trying to do this kind of thing, choose Euro USD first. Second one is USD card. Third one must maybe AUD USD. Avoid USD JPY. Don't take USD JPY. So the reason why I'm showing you guys those things is so that you will know exactly the pair that you will be trading. So whereby I'm telling you guys the truth about the pair that you have to be trading. Now stay tuned. I'm going to take you to one of those charts on this pair so that we can see very clearly on what I'm saying. Okay guys, welcome back to my trading view. So this is my chart on USD card, like I have shared today on Euro USD, USD card at AUD USD. I saw a setup on AUD USD, but I don't like that kind of setup. On this account, it only take one risk. To actually, if I take that first risk and I didn't make it, I will lose the challenge. That's why I need a perfect risk. Though in the market we don't trust any risk, we don't trust any move of the market, but yet I know what I'm gonna do. As an experienced trader, I know what I'm gonna do. That is why I want you to watch from the beginning of this video to the end. So you can see right here, this is my USD card. So we have been actually pushing to the downside since all these days. We have been pushing to the downside. So around about some hours ago, you can see we end up on gray candle right here. So, and actually this is this demand zone. So from the 1 hour time frame, we have a demand zone, and all we are looking now is for our opportunity to buy. So on that opportunity to buy, what we need to do is to go down to a smaller time frame, maybe from 15-minute time frame, so that we can see what the market is actually giving us. So look at this time frame right here. You can see right here, you can see how the market is respecting that zone. So what I want to do now, without wasting my time, so I don't want to miss this opportunity, you can see I have already tested my OB. So I'm taking you guys down to my 5 minutes time frame to show you that we have created the first candle. We need a very clear confirmation, the first candle, and this was the second bullish candle on the 5-minute time frame. So all I wanted to be waiting for now is for the third bullish candle to correct and respect this order that was created here, then I'll look for my buying opportunity. You can see how massive the trade is. I have this confirmation, but I didn't enter the market yet. I want more, okay, because I know that on the 1 minute time frame you can see once that we have broken this consolidation, we need a retracement, and that is exactly what I've been waiting. So I'll go to update you guys on this trade. Just stay tuned and be active, watch to the end of the video and learn from my experience. So stay tuned and remain blessed. Okay, what's up traders? Number you can see right now, my face is not good. Why did we lose the trade? What the fucking thing are you saying? We didn't lose the trade. We didn't lose the trade. Actually, we almost missed the trade, but actually, I immediately entered the trade. I can show you guys where I entered. You can see it right here, but I'm going to be going to my trading view. But look at it right here. This is called sniper entry. So we got this. We entered this trade, but the good news is that I risk 0.82 cents. I risk 0.82 cents, which means that even if I lose this first trade, I can easily trade again. I can easily trade again. So this is one of the powerful thing that I have ever experienced, risking 0.31 cent. But right now I want to tell you guys that I did a little big mistake. The time I was trying not to miss my entry on USD card, I went to my MT5 immediately just to enter a trade, and I mistakenly click buy on GBP USD, and guess what, I immediately close it. You can see it right here. So we lost the GBP USD, but we lose some fund. We lose 0.07 cent, and you can see it right here. And that is one of the biggest mistake I did. Maybe it's not because actually it's because of how I wanted to enter the trade. I don't want to miss that move. And finally we got into the trade on USD card. So stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. Let's see how we are going to spike this move, whether we are going to make it to the top or we are going to get back to our stop loss. You know, this kind of trade is very crazy. So right there, what I want you to do now is actually be sincere. Okay, just be sincere with the right mindset. Just be sincere. So right here on this trade particularly, we are targeting only $1, and that should be about 1:3 to 5 and 1:4. Yeah, 1:3, 1:3, because actually we are risking 0.82 cents and we are targeting $1. That is 1:3. So stay tuned and let's see how it goes. Okay, what's up traders, and welcome back to my trading view. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys the trade on my trading view. Guess what, I almost lose this. I almost missed this trade. I've been being patient since morning to be waiting for this setup, and I almost missed this setup. And now I want to show you guys something very, very important. And I don't know what you may be thinking, but actually, you know, I'm not going to be breaking even on this kind of trade. I'm not going to be breaking even. So what I mean in the market, what I want to show you guys right now is the key level that I'm seeing. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we see that this particular key level, let me just remove those things. So we see that this particular key level have already been tested before, and you can see it right here. We tested this key level. Actually the market sell from that key level, and we actually respected our nearest order block right here before we got this push. Okay, so what I want to be telling you guys now is, if we didn't break this key level, the market might initially come down again to test this demand zone before we got another push. But what I'm believing now is this was the third time that the market is coming back to that supply zone. So I expect the market to close to break that key level, which means that I want the 15 candlestick to close with full body above this key level. So once this happens, I know that this key level is broken. That means we are going back to this high. So that is exactly what I'm saying. So guys, all I want you to do now is be patient. Yeah, be patient. On this game, yeah, you are not growing it overnight. So the game is all about game of patience, and you can see patience pays off. No matter whatever, patience pays off. So let's see how this trade gonna play out, and stay tuned to the end of the video. Guys, to be sincere with you guys, there's no way I can be able to be doing this kind of video without showing you guys my MT5. So this is my MT5, and this is exactly what I was saying last time about the mistake that I made. You can see I'm currently having this balance of 0.49, and actually this was the 0.49 is what I'm using to be trading right now, because I have paid a few on this particular trade right here, which you can see I have paid a few on the particular trade. So now like I said that I was risking on this account, I was risking about 1.80 cents. I'm going to be showing you guys what I mean. You can see it right here. I'm risking about 1.30 cents, and this is exactly what I'm targeting, 1 USD. So which means that this trade is about 1:3 to 1 ratio. So now you can see we are currently around 0.41 in profit, and let's see what is gonna happen. Remember, this account is 0.63 cent dollar balance, and we are flipping it. So it's to tell you that everything I'm doing here is real. So stay tuned, and let's see how this trade gonna play off and how it's gonna go. What's up, traders? Is your boy right, James Donwell? So guess what? My face is not feeling fine. Guess what? We finally did it, man. Actually, we hit that take profit. Boom! You can see it right here. This is exactly what I'm saying. Just look at this chart. You can see this chart actually take time, but actually it go exactly how we wanted it, and we smashed this take profit. And now we are currently sitting at 1.50 cent. Like I told you guys that my goal for today is to make 1 R1, that I'm going to be taking this account times 2. I get it. So I'm going to be making extra 60 cents, and that is exactly what we see right here. You can see we are currently sitting at 1.50 cent. So now I'm going to be explaining why and how this thing really happened. So like I said, I'm going to be risking all the account, I'm going to be risking all the funds. But what happened is that I finally understand that if I risk this 0.63 cent, actually I'm going to that is called over risk, and if I lose it, I have lost everything. So I'd be able to manage this risk by taking those trades on those pairs that I showed you guys, which is Euro USD, USD CAD, and AUD USD. So these 3 pairs is actually, they are good pair that has low volatile, but they has a very tight and a very high liquidity in them. So this is actually how I be able to manage this risk, which is me risking 0.31 cent and targeting $1. And you can see right here, this trade is amazing. We finally hit take profit, and we are sitting currently at, I said that we should see today. So we are done for the day. We are not trading on this account again. So what I'll be waiting for now is tomorrow we are going to start again. So today is Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday. We are going to be starting again tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So I'm not continuing on the house. You can see right here, actually on my brother's house we don't have light, and that is why I'm here. And exactly, I want to share something very powerful with you guys right here. So what I want to share with you guys is this. Now I'll be able to turn this 0.63 cent into 1.50 USD right now within 1 hour. So I did it. How do I did it? I did it because of my mindset. I did it because of my mindset. And secondly is how I manage my risk. I manage my risk properly, and assuming that I risk the whole amount. You can see if I risk the whole amount, just check how much we can be able to be sitting now. Maybe we can be sitting about 3 USD, which is making about 80% of this account per day. So this is crazy. But right here we don't have to over risk because we don't even trust the move of the market, and that's why I manage that risk very tight and properly. So right here I'm going to be showing you guys my trading view so that you see how we smartly took that take profit. You can see how the market eventually reversed and try to trigger my emotion, because I trust my setup and I trust what I'm risking. That is why you don't see me panicking, and that is the reason why I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And don't forget to hit that subscription button if you are finding this video helpful, and know that this experience that I'm sharing to you is actually worth it. And this is how you can be able to flip your small account trading and take it to the moon, okay, what's good, guys? So this is my chart right here. I'm going to be explaining how I able to manage this risk and how I be able to go this move. So right here is in my chart, you can see. So in morning the market was actually somewhere around here, right here. Then I mark out this order block which we have here, which is the fair value gap, and I waited for this price to react from this supply zone and come back to this fair value gap so that I can enter my 10 minutes, and actually that is exactly what happened. And you can see right here I eventually enter my trade once the market come down to that area. Then I properly manage my risk based on why I enter this trade using the smaller time frame, which is the 5 minutes to 1 minute time frame. And you can see right here, this is called sniper entry. So the confirmation I have is actually when this price was actually reacting somewhere around here, and I enter for my buy right here, and eventually the market skyrockets and boom to the moon. So this is exactly how I get it in this place. Good, guys. Actually I'm so grateful for you guys. Currently right now you guys have actually pushed this YouTube channel to at least 13 subscribers. I'm so happy. Please let us put this YouTube subscription to at least from here to 20 to 30 subscribers, so that YouTube will make sure that this video go even more viral to people who need it. So I know that there's a lot of people out there who need this kind of content, who need someone to teach them how to do this kind of thing, but actually they don't even get it. They don't have such people for now. So what I want you to do right here is to listen, because I'm going to be sharing some insight on how I did this particular flip, and actually I'm going to be explaining how I catch this move. So listen, one thing you have to know is that before you dive into any challenge, before you say that I'm going to take this account to this amount, you have to believe in what you can do. You have to trust your analysis. What I mean by trusting your analysis is this: you guys have seen me done a video of 10 to 100, and I failed, a video of 5 to 20 or 5 to 50 I think, and I failed. And actually I documented everything here on this channel, on this YouTube channel, and you can go to my previous video and you can see it. So after everything and after everything, we actually find out the strategy that works for us best. And this strategy is exactly what we call SMC concept, mechanical strategy. Now that's exactly what I'm using. You can see how I've been catching those moves and flipping some of our account. The one I did last time ago, I think I did how I flip 5 to 10, risking only 1.89 on SAUSD, and so it's been a very good strategy for you. But so for right now, I want you to listen very carefully. I turned the account to this I turned 0.60 cent times 2 today, though the account supposed to be up to 1.57 by now, or 1.58 by now. But what happened is that we make a very big mistake with the trade that we took on GBP USD. so I'm not talking about that one again. So it is a mistake because it actually happened. So right now what I want you guys to do now is to listen very carefully. So what I want you to listen for is that today is Monday, and actually this account is currently sitting at 150 cent 1.50 cent dollars. So tomorrow we are going to be starting again. So I have taken this account to 1.50. Reason is this: I trust my analysis, I have the right mindset. You know, on this 0.60 cent is one kind of hard challenge you will ever have in trading in this industry. This is one kind of challenge you will ever have, so it needs exactly the right mindset. Every trader can do it. The only thing that can separate you and people who can do it is mindset. So it's only your mindset that can correct how you can take the trade. Mindset: always calculate your risk before you take any trade. No, you can see that before I start this challenge, I talk about currency pairs. You cannot trade all currency pair. You can't go and be trading GJ, minor pair like GJ or something like Euro AUD. Also, those pairs they are too volatile. They can blow the account. Even one pip of the move can blow the account. That's why you need a pair that suits the account. First is you have to have a very good knowledge of pairs, how pairs work, how those pairs actually move by liquidity and by order flow. That is why I recommended you guys that if you want to do this, make sure you have Euro USD. The reason why I mentioned Euro USD, which means that Euro USD is so liquidity than some of the other pairs. So this means that you can be able to use 0.30 cent to trade Euro USD. So this means that there is a lot of leverage inside that pair. So you can even use 0.30 to trade it. So second one is that you have to think about risk management. Now, according to risk management, if I give you this account to take it to ×2 today, you will blow it. Reason: if you take your trade, you will over risk the account and the market will go against you, and eventually if you lose it, you will blow up the entire account. I divide my account into 2, which is 60 times 2 is 60 divided by 2, you can get about 30 cents. So I risk about 31 cents on that particular trade. If the market goes against me, I can still trade again. Okay, now I don't have to over leverage my account. That is the second reason. I don't have to over leverage my account because I can't even go into trust the market, even the move. No, I don't even trust none of them. So all I trust is my risk management and my strategy. I trust my risk management and my strategy, which is very powerful. So guys, this is the end of today's video, which is Monday. Tomorrow I'm going to see you guys, and tomorrow we are going to be seeing the trade that we are going to be taking on this account, and we are going to be seeing how far we are going to be taking this account this week. So stay blessed